The federal government of Somalia has announced that the security forces have ended the attack by Al-Shabaab militants on the headquarters of the Banadir region. In a press release issued by the Ministry of Information, it was said that the forces shot dead the members of Al-Shabaab who launched the attack, which was 6 fighters. The Al-Shabaab militants who came to the place were on foot and disguised themselves as the National Army to reach there, according to the statement issued by the government. The government has confirmed that 5 civilians were killed and 4 others were injured in the attack on the administrative center of Banadir region. The security forces, who were very alert, carried out a 2-part operation in that area. The first part was to rescue the officials and citizens who were in the area, said in a statement issued by the Ministry of Information. The second part of the army's operation, which was to end the terrorist militias, was completed by the security forces by shooting the terrorist group, which consisted of 6 conspirators. The federal government has expressed its condolences to those who died in the attack, praying for the speedy recovery of the injured. These barbaric acts by the terrorists prove to the government and the people of Somalia that it is necessary to completely expel them from the Somali region, while the war to liberate the country from the terrorism is ongoing, the statement added. This attack came at a time when pressure is being piling on Al-Shabaab, who in return are putting their resources to attacks in Mogadishu, with the last direct attack carried out being on Hotel Villa Reis, which is located near the presidential palace.